First look, Kia's game-changing K4 revealed. Kia teases new K4 compact sedan with concept-like design elements. The K4 resembles the Kia Concept EV4 sedan and could replace Kia's other small cars. It will be fully revealed on March 21. The Kia K4 will be a new compact sedan, and the company today teased its reveal on March 21 ahead of the New York Auto Show. Despite the shrouded images that Kia shared, the K4's bodywork appears to resemble the Kia Concept EV4 sedan. It's unclear if the K4 is electric or gas-powered, but we think it could be a replacement for the defunct Kia Rio as well as the Kia Forte. A brand new little vehicle from Kia will soon be available in American shops. A week or so before the New York Auto Show on March 21, the Kia K4 will make its formal debut as the firm teased today with a few teaser photos. We can have a peek of the top part of the car in 3 pictures that Kia released. It seems like the front of the roof features a huge sunroof panel akin to the configuration used on the now discontinued Kia Stinger. The K4's appearance resembles a coupe because of the way the roofline slopes into a short rear deadlid. The broad base of the rearmost pillars is reminiscent of past Kia sedans such as the electric EV4 Concept, the Korean spec K3 and the Stinger. The latter also seems to have served as an influence for some of the stylistic elements of the K4, given how similar the headlamp and taillight designs are to those of the Concept. The lateral body panels of the K4 are also convex in the form. Kia describes the future K4 model as a small sedan, despite the fact that almost little is known about it. If so, it serves the same purpose as the Kia Forte that is available now. Still, we believe there is a chance Kia may employ the US spec K4 to replace the small Kia Rio, which was phased out after the 2023 model year, as well as the Forte. Although the Kia K4's engine is unknown, given the company's history of using the EV designation in the model name, it is most likely not electric. When the new car is unveiled on Thursday, we hope to learn more about it as well.